How to crop a video on iPhone. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can crop a video on your iPhone. It is a very simple and easy process, so just follow along. You can do this within your gallery. Navigate to the video which you would like to crop. From the bottom panel, select this adjust icon. After that, you will land to the editing page of your gallery. If you want to crop the length of the video, you can do that by dragging these corners. To crop the video, select crop from the bottom panel. Now you can simply drag the corners to crop the video as you like. As you can see, this is a very simple step. Tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner and select undo crop to undo your step. Now you can start cropping again. You can also crop the perspective. You can crop it by two perspectives. One is up and down and the other one is right and left. Once you are satisfied, tap on done at the top right corner to save your changes. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.